Welcome back, fishing enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the top 5 best lightweight baitcasting fishing reels you should consider for your next trip. These reels offer a combination of precision, durability, and ease of use, making them great for both beginners and seasoned anglers. Let's cast right into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Histar Giu lightweight baitcasting fishing reel. The Histar Giu lightweight baitcasting fishing reel stands out in the fishing gear market for its combination of advanced materials and high-performance features. Available in the new Style Giu series, including the limited edition Year of the Dragon model, this reel promises an exceptional fishing experience. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of the Histar Giu reel. Pros: ultra-lightweight design. Weighing in at just 99 g for the standard model and 104 g for the limited edition, the Histar Giu reel is incredibly lightweight. This makes it easier to handle and reduces fatigue during long fishing sessions. The use of advanced materials such as carbon fiber contributes to its lightness without compromising durability. High-performance components. The reel features a 3.2G/3.5G PAMS high-density aluminum spool and AT7 super hard aluminum gear disc combined with beryllium copper little gear. These components not only enhance its strength but also ensure smooth and efficient operation, making it suitable for precise casting with small lures, even as light as 0.2G. Advanced brake system. Equipped with a 3D dynamic suspension magnetic brake system, the reel offers precise control over the casting distance and reduces backlash. This advanced braking system is designed to handle varying casting conditions, providing a more consistent and controlled fishing experience. Impressive drag power and gear ratio. With a 4 kg drag power and an 8.1:1 high gear ratio, the reel excels at quickly catching fish and handling aggressive species. The high gear ratio allows for faster retrieval speeds, making it easier to bring in your catch efficiently. Durable and corrosion-resistant construction. The reel is built with 51RS anti-saltwater stainless steel ball bearings and DS fish catch alarm system, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. This makes it a reliable choice for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Ergonomic design. Featuring a 36mm low center of gravity, the reel fits comfortably in the palm, enhancing stability and control during casting. The carbon fiber reel leg, knob, and micro-adjustment button contribute to its ergonomic design, making it user-friendly and easy to operate. Cons. High-ratio gear might not suit all techniques. The 8.1:1 gear ratio is excellent for fast retrieval but may not be ideal for techniques requiring slower retrieves or more precise control. Some anglers might prefer a reel with a lower gear ratio for specific fishing styles or lure presentations. The Histar Giu lightweight baitcasting fishing reel offers a blend of innovation and performance, making it a standout choice for anglers seeking a high-quality, lightweight reel. Its advanced braking system, high drag power, and ergonomic design make it suitable for a range of fishing applications. Coming in at number 4, we have the Johncoo MT200 lightweight baitcasting fishing reel. The Johncoo MT200 lightweight baitcasting fishing reel is designed to offer a blend of performance and precision, making it an attractive choice for both seasoned anglers and enthusiasts. With its advanced features and lightweight construction, it aims to provide a high-quality fishing experience. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of the Johncoo MT200 reel. Pros: lightweight design. Weighing in at approximately 284 g, the Johncoo MT200 is notably lightweight for a baitcasting reel. This design feature reduces fatigue during extended fishing sessions and enhances overall comfort, especially when making long casts. Durable construction. The reel features a CNC machine, aluminum spool, and an aluminum body with graphite side covers. This combination ensures durability while keeping the weight low. The aluminum components offer robustness and resistance to wear and tear, making the reel suitable for various fishing environments. High gear ratio. With a 7.1:1 gear ratio, the MT200 provides fast retrieval speeds. This high gear ratio is advantageous for quickly bringing in bait or lures and is particularly useful for techniques requiring rapid line recovery. Precision engineering. The reel is equipped with a precision machined brass gear and brass drive shaft, which contribute to its smooth operation. The 13 kilograms max drag ensures that the reel can handle substantial pulls, making it effective for a wide range of fish species. Advanced braking system. The centrifugal brake system with 10 adjustable positions allows for precise control over casting distance and reduces the risk of backlash. This advanced braking system offers flexibility for different casting conditions and lure weights. Smooth operation. Featuring double-shielded stainless steel bearings, the Johncoo MT200 delivers extremely smooth and quiet operation. This ensures minimal noise and friction, even at high speeds, enhancing the overall fishing experience. Versatility. The reel is suitable for both saltwater and freshwater fishing, offering versatility for anglers who fish in various environments. This adaptability makes it a good all-around choice for different fishing scenarios. Clicker system. The clicker system provides audible feedback for action adjustments, which can be useful for making precise adjustments during fishing. This feature enhances user control and ensures that the reel performs according to the angler's preferences. Cons. Limited drag capacity. While the reel boasts a 13 kilograms max drag, some anglers might find this limit restrictive for targeting larger or more powerful fish species. For those who regularly fish for big game or in challenging conditions, a reel with a higher drag capacity might be necessary. The Johncoo MT200 lightweight baitcasting fishing reel offers a compelling mix of lightweight design, durability, and precision engineering. Its high gear ratio, advanced braking system, and smooth operation make it a strong contender for a variety of fishing applications. At number 3, the Ziz lightweight baitcasting fishing reel. The Ziz lightweight baitcasting fishing reel is engineered to provide an optimal fishing experience with its advanced features and user-focused design. Here's a comprehensive look at the pros and cons of the Ziz reel. Pros. High-speed gear ratio. The Ziz reel boasts a 6.4:1 high-speed gear ratio, allowing for quick and smooth retrieves. This high-speed capability ensures that you can reel in your catch swiftly, reducing the chance of fish escaping and enhancing your overall fishing efficiency. Durable metal line cup. The reel features a metal line cup that is impact-resistant, making it suitable for handling larger and more aggressive fish. The durability of the metal line cup ensures that it can withstand the stresses of battling big fish without compromising performance. Ceramic overline ring. Equipped with a ceramic overline ring, the Ziz reel provides excellent heat and abrasion resistance. This feature ensures smooth line retrieval and minimizes line damage, extending the lifespan of your fishing line and improving overall performance. Comfortable grip. The reel includes an oversized grip pellet with a comfortable metal grip. The long grip design reduces fatigue during prolonged use, making it easier to handle the reel for extended periods without discomfort. Super strong braking force. With a 15 kg super strong braking force, the Ziz reel offers reliable stopping power. This strong braking force allows for smooth operation and effective control, making it suitable for a wide range of freshwater and saltwater fish. Ultralight carbon fiber body. The reel's ultralight carbon fiber body combines strength with lightweight. This construction provides durability while reducing the overall weight of the reel, contributing to a more comfortable and manageable fishing experience. Cons. Limited gear ratio options. The fixed 6.4:1 gear ratio may not be versatile enough for anglers who prefer different speeds for varying fishing techniques. Those seeking a reel with multiple gear ratio options might find this limitation restrictive. The Ziz lightweight baitcasting fishing reel stands out for its high-speed gear ratio, durable construction, and comfort-oriented design. Its combination of features, including the metal line cup, ceramic overline ring, and strong braking force, makes it a versatile option for various fishing conditions. However, its fixed gear ratio and potential limitations in handling ultra-heavy loads may be considerations for some users. Overall, the Ziz reel offers a well-rounded performance that caters to both freshwater and saltwater fishing needs, providing an effective and comfortable solution for many anglers. In the second spot, we have the Tsurinoya Elf 50 Genius 50H lightweight baitcasting fishing reel. The Tsurinoya Elf 50 Genius 50H baitcasting fishing reel is designed to offer anglers a blend of lightweight construction, advanced features, and versatility. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of this reel. Pros. ultra-lightweight design. At just 135G, the Tsurinoya Elf 50 Genius 50H is incredibly lightweight. This ultralight design reduces fatigue during extended fishing sessions, making it easier to handle and maneuver the reel with precision. Super strong carbon frame. The reel features a super strong carbon frame and side plate, ensuring durability while maintaining its light weight. This robust construction enhances the reel's ability to withstand tough conditions and heavy use. Versatile spool and casting distance. Equipped with a 6.5G shallow spool, this reel is capable of casting even very light lures with longer distances. This makes it ideal for targeting small to medium-sized fish, where precision and distance are crucial. Automatic sound system. The automatic sound system alerts anglers to fish bites quickly, allowing for faster reaction times and improved chances of a successful catch. A lower profile design. With a 39mm palm-perfect lower profile design, the reel is ergonomically designed for comfort. This low profile ensures a comfortable grip and easy handling, especially for anglers who prefer a more compact reel. Adjustable magnetic brake system. The reel includes a 6-level, 30-gear adjustable magnetic brake system that helps eliminate line winding issues. This feature provides precise control over casting and minimizes backlash, making it easier to achieve accurate casts. Dual speed ratios. The Tsurinoya Elf 50 Genius 50H offers 6.4:1 and 8.0:1 gear ratios, allowing anglers to choose the speed that best suits their fishing needs. The two-speed options provide versatility for various fishing techniques and conditions. Ceramic Cone Shape Line Guide. The ceramic cone shape line guide ensures smoother line exit, which contributes to increased casting distance and reduced line friction. This design improves overall casting performance. High-strength gear. The reel is equipped with a high-strength aluminum alloy precision main gear paired with a brass pinion. This combination delivers maximum winding power, contributing to the reel's durability and performance. Cons. Durability concerns. Although the carbon frame is strong, some users may have concerns about the long-term durability of carbon fiber components compared to traditional metal parts. Regular maintenance and careful handling are essential to ensure the reel's longevity. The Tsurinoya Elf 50 Genius 50H baitcasting fishing reel stands out for its lightweight design, advanced braking system, and versatility. Its combination of a low-profile design, dual speed ratios, and high-strength components make it a compelling choice for anglers seeking both comfort and performance. However, its suitability for heavy loads, potential complexity of the brake system, and cost considerations may be factors to consider. And finally, at number 1, we have the Okuma Lightweight Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Okuma Lightweight Baitcasting Fishing Reel is engineered to offer anglers a blend of lightweight construction, advanced features, and precision performance. This reel is designed to provide a smooth and reliable fishing experience. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros. Lightweight corrosion-resistant frame. The Okuma reel features a lightweight corrosion-resistant frame and side plates, ensuring durability while minimizing the weight. This makes it easier to handle and more resilient against harsh environmental conditions. Multi-disc carbonite drag system. Equipped with a multi-disc carbonite drag system, the reel offers smooth and consistent drag performance. This system provides reliable braking power, which is essential for managing larger fish and ensuring a successful catch. Ergo grip handle knobs. The aluminum handle arm comes with ergo grip handle knobs, which enhance comfort and control during use. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, allowing for extended fishing sessions without discomfort. High-quality bearings. The reel includes 2 BB1RB stainless steel ball bearings and a quick-set anti-reverse roller bearing. These features contribute to a smooth and efficient operation, reducing friction and ensuring consistent performance. Oversized brass gears. With oversized machine-cut brass XL drive and pinion gears, the reel delivers robust power and durability. These gears are designed to handle demanding fishing conditions and ensure longevity. Self-lubricating gearing system. The self-lubricating gearing system helps maintain optimal performance by reducing friction and wear. This system requires less maintenance and extends the lifespan of the reel. Speed lock pinion gear system. The speed lock pinion gear system enhances gear engagement, contributing to more precise and reliable operation. This feature ensures that the reel performs consistently under various fishing conditions. Cons. Weight considerations. While the reel is lightweight, some anglers may find that the construction, although durable, might not be suitable for handling very heavy or large game fish. The lightweight design is geared more towards comfort and less towards heavy-duty applications. The Okuma lightweight baitcasting fishing reel stands out for its combination of advanced features, lightweight construction, and precision performance. Its durable frame, smooth drag system, and high-quality bearings make it a strong contender for anglers seeking reliability and comfort.